There's a question that Advocate Ramsepele asked Judge Ratha today, and some people were very impressed, including me. So I'm about to play this video. I'll show you the video of Advocate Ramsepele asking Judge Ratha a question. Why are you shaking your head when I'm speaking? You didn't hear that. Now, let's just look at some of the things that transpired today before I give you this video. Somebody says, from Serero Mgomezulu managed to look, I've already covered this one. There's something that I want to show you. Somebody says there are circumstances that may come into play that have never existed before. Serero not being able to give even one example. That is why I was saying he went there to protect his colleagues when he says there are circumstances that may exist or can exist, but you can't even describe a single one of them. Then that's a problem. We have a very serious problem there. If you can't describe even a single one of them. Right? With that being said, I need to give you the video. Advocate Attorney Ramsepele asking Judge Good, I'm talking and now you're shaking your head. Why? Take a look at this.
My Lord, through the corner of my eye, when I was asking the question, I saw my Lord shaking his head. I'm not sure whether he was agreeing or disagreeing.
What saying is basically choosing 4 and 8 to the exclusion of the other fired bullets. When his evidence is that he tested all, under the microscope, all the fired bullets by Mangena. Is that not so, sir?
That is correct, my Lord.
That's how I understand English.
No, that was not even my question.
And now you say he prefers.
No, that was not even my question. I say a peer review, and I'm going to repeat it without fear, favor, prejudice.
Okay, so let's proceed then. Mangena, my Lord, I gave Serero 8 TPs. I can still remember 6. I can't remember the last 2. Serero, my Lord, the TPs were not less than 8. I think they were 10. Who's telling the truth? If you don't get it, forget about it. Who's telling the truth between the two? One is lying and the other one is telling the truth. But again, because it's lies, they have a way of coming out and exposing you. Then somebody says, under normal circumstances, we don't fact if they don't, hence they don't want to answer clearly because we know he will be throwing Mangena under the bus. I fully concur with that. Here we are seeing colleagues working together, protecting one another at all cost. Some of the questions that he avoided, believe you me, those questions would have exposed Mangena big time, especially under the cross-examination Mgomezulu. Hey, a lot of damage would have happened there. But yeah, thanks to for protecting his colleague, because wow, he did an incredible job in protecting his colleague there. He did a very, very interesting job in protecting his colleague. But nonetheless, before I proceed, do this. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people, because to subscribe it is free, to like the video it is free, to comment in the comment section below it is free of charge, to click the notification bell it is free of charge, to share this video it is free of charge, to watch this video until the end it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the super thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying, we'll bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Okay, now let's talk about this. How on earth do you not call someone that was hit by Gadla to confirm if indeed he took the cell phone? She saw signs of falling in the lounge area. She was hitting Gadla with a crush. She instructed Mapiri to clean the crime scene, but no, she is not important as a witness. Person is raising a very important point here to say, you have key witnesses in the sense of Mayiwa case that are not being called. And it's just worrisome that some people are not being called. And for the why, this phone. Uguti, for the why, I also don't know, right? But let's read this comment that says, the evidence was accepted on the basis that Temba Kumalo uncle left the house. Okay, let's leave that one. They were answering that person. Let me go to this one. This one says it is a coincidence that we have not heard all the witnesses in the house come to court and tell with conviction who pulled the trigger or at what point. That is the point that we've just spoke about right now, to say there are key witnesses in that house who are not being called, and for some strange reasons, nobody's actually questioning that, to say you state you don't have an intention of calling these people. For the why, we don't know. The plan was to say it's Revolver because they had to eliminate. The plan was to say it's a Revolver because they had to eliminate Longer from the suspect. Then they realized that they needed to pin it on someone without cartridge or bullet. It is impossible. So they decided to plant the bullet. Oh, my God. We're going to use that word there, allegedly. Some of the noticeable statement said by Advocate Mgomezulu to Userero was that in Geninda's affidavit, it is written that the gun that was used in the commission of the offense was a revolver, not a 9mm. A revolver. And I hope you get it. If you don't get it, forget about it. Okay, I'm just looking at some of the comments that were very, 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 very interesting, right? But yeah, I think that's it. Those are some of the comments that I found to be very informative, interesting. At the same time, I found those very, 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 very educational, challenging, and yeah. Nonetheless, I think those are some of the things that I saw in today's proceeding. I'll wait for you to tell me what you saw. So for you to successfully do that, get into the comment section below. Tell me what you think about everything. Definitely, you and I, we shall meet in the next video, but please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section below. Wait a minute. Do you think I should do live? I should go live? Just thought about it. I think I need to do one. It's been a while, I have not done a live stream for a very long time. Don't worry. I'll do one. Just one. I'm going to do it soon.